Hi there everybody. So on today's video I have this Audi A5 key. The same key will be used in many other models. So the A4, A3 and so on. This belongs to a 2008. I'm gonna change the battery inside because it's no longer working. So to change this battery, we need to get the key out. It's a fairly simple one, and the battery inside is a 2032. It's one of the most common ones. Then we're gonna press this bit here and pull. Okay, once you got that out, get the battery out, and then note, just look at the way it's fitted. Plus you also have this side of the battery is the positive side, and in here it shows you to fit the positive on that side. So you get your new battery and you're gonna fit it this way. Get it back in there, key back on, and now you can see now it's working. And that's pretty much it. So hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.